The 2025 Suzuki Alto has made its debut as a compact city car that combines affordability, efficiency, and practicality in a way that continues to win hearts around the globe. Known for its reliability and low running costs, the new Alto brings subtle yet meaningful updates to remain relevant in a segment that's seeing increasing competition. Suzuki has clearly taken the approach of refining a proven formula rather than completely reinventing it, and for many buyers, that's exactly what makes the Alto such an appealing option. From the outside, the 2025 model features a refreshed design with smoother lines, a more rounded silhouette, and minor tweaks to the grille and headlights that give it a more modern, urban-ready appearance. While it's still unmistakably an Alto, these updates give it a slightly more premium vibe than its predecessors. The car remains incredibly compact, which makes it perfect for tight city streets and crowded parking lots. Despite its small footprint, Suzuki has managed to optimize interior space with clever packaging and a surprisingly airy cabin. Under the hood, the Alto continues to focus on efficiency rather than power. It's expected to come with a small displacement, 3-cylinder engine, likely around 660 cc for the Japanese market K-car category, while international versions may carry a slightly larger 1.0-liter engine. The real highlight is its fuel efficiency, with the latest updates promising mileage figures that can rival even hybrid competitors in urban settings. Suzuki has also improved the mild hybrid system in select variants, further enhancing fuel economy and lowering emissions, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious drivers. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Alto features upgraded materials and a more functional dashboard layout. The infotainment system has been updated with a larger touchscreen and now supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, something that was lacking in older models. There's also improved connectivity and more intuitive controls, ensuring that even tech-savvy drivers will find the Alto up to date. While it's still a budget car, Suzuki has clearly put effort into giving it a comfortable and user-friendly feel. In terms of safety, the 2025 Alto is equipped with a range of features not always found in cars of this size and price point. Basic models come with dual front airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control, while higher trims may offer features like lane departure warning and forward collision mitigation. These additions make it one of the safer options in the ultra-compact segment, particularly for first-time buyers or those looking for a reliable city commuter. One of the biggest draws of the Alto has always been its price, and Suzuki continues to keep it highly competitive. Whether you're a student, a small family, or someone just looking for a no-nonsense car for daily driving, the Alto's value proposition is hard to beat. With its combination of low ownership costs, dependable engineering, and user-friendly features, the 2025 Suzuki Alto manages to stay relevant in a market full of flashy alternatives. Overall, the new Suzuki Alto might not be the flashiest or most powerful car out there, but it excels at what it's built for, being an efficient, affordable, and practical urban car. With smart updates and thoughtful improvements, it's clear that Suzuki knows its audience well and continues to deliver exactly what budget-conscious drivers are looking for in 2025.